one of the first and foremost thing that happened is Pakistan is known as a cyclical democracy. Because one term you have a coup happening and somebody else coming in, and then subsequently again the democratic leadership coming in. That's been something that's been observed there. And this was a breakthrough we saw in the form of Imran Khan coming in. We thought probably things would change, or even people are getting better, or the civil society is getting better. But what it simply proves is that it is back to the pavilion and it's back to same. We famously, or a lot of people would say, Pakistan has to manage the 3 A's that they used to talk about: Allah, Army, and the and few other things. But now here we see it has to manage 3 other C's that we see. One is the China, second is communalism, and third is corruption. I think on all these fronts, he's been struggling, he's been failing, because first and foremost, the majority that he got was also a simple majority. That's also something that we need to recognize in the National Assembly. And now with the defections, it has gone completely disarray, but he's not ready to resign. He's not ready to give up on that front, because opposition is just waiting. They have 163. They're just waiting for an opportunity to, if the defections happen and they join the other side, I think they will have a sail through. Now, what comes back here is this love-hate relationship between the military and Imran Khan, which is a known factor. I think he just took it for granted by thinking now that the civil society will back him up, and over a period of time, the civil-military relations will tilt towards the civil side much more, and then the people will support him, at least understanding that if he meddles with them, they have the capability of bringing him down at any point of time. That's exactly what is happening now. They're engineering the whole process in a different way. Now the opposition has come together. One advantage that he had in 2018 was opposition itself was not united. Opposition itself was, each one of them was talking in different language, and he had full backing, and he ended up being there. But now it just turns out to be that he has gone a bit overboard. There was no necessity to, when Israel-Palestine was happening, he resorted to the populist measure of saying, he instigated one of the members in the parliament, and then they ended up saying that Pakistan should officially declare a jihad against Israel. And then he ended up talking in the lines of Turkey and Malaysia. In every other place, he was trying to take this extreme position where it was not to appease the military, but rather to appease the civil society, so that slowly and steadily he can get rid of the chains of the military itself. But least he understood was, as I said, the strength of the military that has a deep state in control, and that can also upset anything at any given point of time. It's only coming in public in a different manner, where the military continues to say it has no direct role to play, but it's open, it's in black and white, that we see that Imran Khan is in a very, very deep trouble. But I don't think troubles are new for him. He's used to these type of things even before, when he came into politics. Is every now and then he is. But looking at the type of confidence that he is trying to exhibit, it is very clear that he is going to have a tough time coming ahead.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.